This learning is Le'ilu Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Demai, Perek Dalid, Mishna Beis. Our Mishnah will teach of an additional case where a person can trust an Amaretz. Hamadir es Chavere Sheyechel Etzlei, a person who's an Amaretz who made a neder, a vow, that his fellow should eat by him. So this is referring to a Suda for a newly married couple. They would make Sudas for the first 30 days. And this person who's an Amaretz made a vow that another person who is careful with Trumas should come and eat by this meal. And the vow is that if you don't come, then you can't have any pleasure for me. V'hu einei ma'aminai ala maisrus. But this person who was invited does not trust the one who invited him, since they're an Amaretz, that they separated the maisrus. The halacha is that because this could lead to animosity, because the person made a vow over here, expressing that it really matters to them. So therefore, if the person says that they separated maisrus, the one who invited the fellow says that they separated the maisrus, so he could trust them, and eichel imay b'Shabbos harishena, he could eat by him by the Suda of the first Shabbos after the wedding. So this only applies by the Suda of Shabbos, and the reason is because the Suda of Shabbos is a more chashuv, a more important Suda, so that's where the Amaretz will be more offended, so then it'll bring to the animosity. And now, even though we said in the previous Mishnah, we always trust an Amaretz to say that he separated the Maasros on Shabbos, so that's only if he says it on Shabbos itself. However, here we're saying we can trust him if he says it before Shabbos about the Suda of Shabbos, and that we don't usually trust an Amaretz for. But over here, we will trust the Amaretz. And this is, as we said, Va'afal pi she'enoi ma'aminoi al ha'maisrus, even though he doesn't trust them about the maisrus. Ubilvad, and this is so long, like we said, she'yemer lei, that the Amaretz tells him, musarinhein, that he did separate the maisrus. Uve Shabbos shniya, and on the second Shabbos, so then, afal pi she'nodar mimenu hanoya, even though he made a vow that he can't have pleasure from him if he doesn't come to the Suda, nevertheless, lo yeichal ad she'yaser, he should not eat by this Suda until he separates the maisrus, because by the second Shabbos, it's not as important, and we're not going to be concerned about the animosity that it could create.